Hello, and welcome to our new series on the practical uses of AI for plant and equipment. My name is John Glenn, COO of Spartan Solutions. In this video, we will show you how to quickly build an Alexa voice assistant for vehicle inspection compliance. I'm logged into the Phalanx Digital Operations web portal as the Head of Transport Safety for a plant and equipment rental company. And my director has asked me to make sure the pre-shift vehicle inspections are not being skipped, especially as we enter the winter weather season. Now on this page, I can see all the recently completed Phalanx vehicle inspections, and I can export the inspection results as a spreadsheet. Next, we will start a new conversation with ChatGPT-4. This is a text interface, and I will upload the Excel file we have just created. Once processed, I can simply ask it questions about my Phalanx data. I can type my questions in this screen, but for a true Alexa experience, I will use the ChatGPT mobile app. How many inspections took less than 10 minutes to complete?
There were 120 inspections that took less than 10 minutes to complete. Anything else you'd like to know about this data?
Which depot was the quickest?
The quickest depot was Aberdeen Plant and Tools, with an average inspection time of about 11.92 minutes. Do you need information on anything else?
Draft a 2-sentence email reminding the team to complete morning inspections.
Sure, here's a draft for your email. Subject reminder, complete morning inspections. Dear team, please remember to complete your morning vehicle inspections promptly and thoroughly. These checks are crucial for ensuring the safety and efficiency of our daily operations. Does this work for you?
Thanks, yes. Now, if I flip back to the web, I can see the full transcript of this conversation, and I can copy my email and paste it into a new email for all of my depot managers. So, today's demonstration showed how you can combine Phalanx and ChatGPT to ask important questions of your operations data and take immediate action to improve safety. If you found this video useful, please like our post, follow us on LinkedIn, and join us for the next chapter of Practical AI for plant and equipment.